Opel Corsa E, 2014-19. The Corsa E debuted at the 2014 Paris Motor Show. Interior space stayed the same, as did the 285-liter boot, but the interior was completely new. All of the exterior sheet metal, except the roof, was revised, but the underlying chassis and body structure, the glasshouse, as well as some minor parts such as side view mirrors and turn signal repeaters, were carried over from the Corsa D. In February 2015, Opel introduced OPC version of Corsa E. Compared to the previous generation model, power output had increased by 15 PS to 207 PS, 204 bhp, from 1.6 turbo engine, with a maximum torque of 245 Nm, 181 pounds-feet, between 1900 and 5800 revolutions per minute. An overboost function increased torque to 280 Nm, 210 pounds-feet, when needed. As a result, the Corsa OPC was able to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in 6.8 seconds, and to reach a maximum speed of 230 km per hour, 143 miles per hour. The Corsa OPC featured a sports chassis with frequency selective damping, FSD, technology, which enabled the damping forces to adapt to the frequency of the car to balance sportiness with comfort. The suspension was lowered by 10 mm, 0.39 in, compared to standard Corsa models, and the car also received an optimized steering system with more direct and precise reactions. OPC also worked on the brakes, adding 308 mm discs on the front axle. Opel also offered the Corsa OPC Performance Package, which included a mechanical multi-disc differential lock made by Drexler, 18-inch wheels with Michelin tires, and an even more athletic chassis setup. The package also brought a Brembo high-performance braking system with 330 mm braking discs on the front axle. Styling-wise, the Corsa OPC/VXR received more aggressive body kits with new bumpers, aluminum frames for the fog lights, a small scoop in the hood, a big roof spoiler, and twin bi-Primus exhaust with a diffuser. Inside, the Recaro performance seats took center stage, with other upgrades including the flat-bottomed leather steering wheel, OPC gear knob, and sports pedals, as well as OPC design instruments. Under the bonnet, all-new 1.0-liter 3-cylinder Ecotec engine, the direct injection turbo offered 90 PS or 115 PS, both giving 170 Nm of torque, with a 6-speed manual box, while a new 6-speed auto was optional on selected engines. Start-stop tech as standard, and, in 3-door guise, the lower-powered model could hit sub-100 grams/km CO2 emissions. The entry-level engine was a 70 PS 1.2-liter petrol, while turbo and non-turbo 1.4S offered 100 PS and 90 PS respectively. The 1.3 CDTI continued with 75 PS, now hitting as little as 85 grams/km CO2 emissions, and was capable of 2 liters/100 kilometers economy. An EcoFlex version was available from launch, too, with target CO2 emissions of under 85 grams/km.